How to unblock someone on Instagram and laptop. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to unblock someone on Instagram and laptop. First, open your Safari browser and search for Instagram. Then, click on search from the dashboard. Now search for that profile which you blocked. After that, click on that profile. Here, click on unblock. Click on unblock. You can block them anytime from their profile, then click on dismiss. As you can see, their profile has been unblocked. Now click on the three dots. Here, click on block. They won't be able to find your profile, posts, or stories on Instagram. Instagram won't let them know that you have blocked them. Then, click on block. You can unblock them anytime from their profile. Then, click on dismiss. Now, click on unblock. Here, click on unblock. Then, click on dismiss. As you can see, their profile has been unblocked. Now, go to your Instagram settings. Here, click on Who can see your content. Then, click on See and manage accounts you've blocked. From here, you will see your blocked profiles. That's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.